take position Parvatasan. 2 Bhujangasan. 3 Shashankasan. Then Parvatasan 4, 5, 6, 6 Shashankasan, 7 Bhujangasan, sorry Parvatasan, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, then last 10 counts 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now touch your toes, opposite side. 1, 2, stretch your legs little bit. కాళ్ళ మీద కొంచెం దూరం తీసుకోండి. 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, hold in position everyone. 2, Rajanna koncham hip pike lift cheyi. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then raise your right leg. నిదానంగా రైట్ లెగ్ లిఫ్ట్ చేసి ఉంచండి. 1, straight jump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, find your balance, don't give up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good. Then change your leg. 1, 2, knee straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Relax everyone. Then sit in Vajrasan, come back to Shashankasan. Just relax. Now take position, advanced plank position everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then slowly lift your right leg. 1, 2. Find your balance. Only right leg. 1, 2, 3. Hold in position. 5, 6, 7. Rajana, keep it properly. 5, 6. Don't give up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Then change your leg, everyone. Anna, hip down, Jai. Advanced plank position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, everyone. Now we are going to do side plank. హ్యాండ్ సపోర్ట్ తీసుకొని రెండు చేతులు స్ట్రెచ్ చేస్తూ ప్రాపర్గా ఉంచాలి. 1, 2. Find your balance, focus on your breath, hold in position everyone, don't give up. 3, 4. Hands straight తీసుకోండి. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Then another side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Relax.
ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.